Here we go. We have a question middle of a linked list. So we have given the head of a linked list and our task is to find the middle element. For example, the middle element for this linked list is 3. If there are two middles for even length, so we need to return this second middle. For example, this in this the length is 6. For this case we have to return 4. So that's about the question. Let's build the approach. We have this. So first we have uh, odd length. So here I will use rabbit and tortoise algorithm oblique slow and fast pointer. Slow initially slow and fast points to the head node. Slow takes one step and fast take two steps. So slow take one step, fast take two steps. Now fast cannot take two steps because fast next is null. So fast reaches the ending node. So in this case, we just need to return slow value. That's about the odd length. What about the even length? Slow and fast points to the initial node. Slow takes one step, fast take two steps. Slow take one step, fast take two steps. Slow take one step, fast take two steps. So here fast is null. So fast cannot move further and slow points to the second middle value. So we just need to return this value. So that's about the approach. Let's code this. So initially we have slow and fast pointer pointing to the head node, while fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. Fast take two steps, slow takes one step, and slow points to the middle value. So we just need to return the value. That's about it. Let's give it a try. And in between, let's talk about time and space complexity. So in terms of time complexity, fast taking two steps and slow taking one step and reaching till the middle value. So the time complexity is n by 2 and space is constant. So we have met the expected time and space complexity. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel and thank you all for watching.